Hello, future engineers. There is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals, double integration. And in this video, there are four exercises. I hope that your skills in integration will be further enhanced for you to be good enough in your chosen engineering field. So 25.1 is part 25. We have integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1 of xy square root of x square plus y square dy dx. So that means the inner variable is y. So if we imagine that u be x squared plus y squared, the differential is 2y dy. There is already y here, so we introduce 1/2. So that we can apply power formula. So that is x is constant, so 1/2 x over 2 quantity x squared plus y squared to the 1/2 2y dy then dx. So this is in the form u to the 1/2 du. So that would be equal to x integral 0 to 1 of x over 2 then quantity x squared plus y squared to the 3 halves multiplied by 2/3 reciprocal of 3 halves from 0 to 1 dx. So x over 2 2/3 x squared plus y squared to the 3 halves from 0 to 1 dx. Substituting limits, so this is cancelled. So x over 3 quantity 1 or x squared plus 1 to the 3 halves minus x squared to the 3 halves, so that's x cubed. So x squared plus 1 to the 3 halves minus x cubed dx. Distribute x and take note that if we put u be x squared plus 1, the differential is 2x dx, so we have to introduce 1/2 again. So 1/3 integral 0 to 1 of 1/2 times quantity x squared plus 1 to the 3 halves times 2x minus x to the 4th after we distribute x dx. So this is in the form 1/2 u to the 3 halves du. So that will be 1/3 quantity 1/2 of reciprocal of 5 halves 2/5, 1/2 times 2/5, so 1/5, 1/3 integral 1/2 times 2/5 quantity x squared plus 1 to the 5 halves, then minus x to the 5th over 5 from 0 to 1. So we cancel out 2, then factor out 1/5. So this is now 1 over 15 times the quantity 2 to the 5 halves, then minus 1, then minus when x is 0, lower limit, minus 1. So take note, this is cancelled and 1/5 is factored out. So that's why you have 1 over 15. What remains here is square root of x squared plus 1 to the 5 halves. When x is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 to the 5 halves. Then minus 1 to the 5th or minus 1. Then when x is 0, this is 1. 1 to the 5 halves is still 1, so minus 1. Then minus 0, of course. So this is now 1 over 15 quantity 4 square root of 5. This is rewritten as 4 square root of 5, then 4 square root of 2 rather, then this is minus 2. 1 over 15 times 4 square root of 2 minus 2. So actually, we can further simplify that into 2 over 15 quantity 2 square root of 2 minus 1 if you want. So next, problem 25.2. Integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1, square root of s plus t ds dt. So this is in the form square root of u or u to the 1/2 du. If we put u be s plus t, t is constant. So this is now integral 0 to 1 of uh, 2/3 quantity s plus t to the 3 halves, because integral of this is s plus t to the 3 halves over 3 halves, and reciprocal of 3 halves is 2/3 from 0 to 1, then dt. So this would be equal to integral, uh, so 2/3 integral 0 to 1 of 1 plus t to the 3 halves minus when s is 0, t to the 3 halves dt. Integrating further, this is 2/3 quantity 2/5 quantity 1 plus t to the 5 halves minus 2/5 t to the 5 halves from 0 to 1. So factoring out 2/5, so we have 4 over 15 quantity 2 to the 5 halves minus 1, then minus lower limit 1 plus 0 to the 5 halves is still 1. So 2 to the 5 halves, so 2 to the 5 halves, 1 plus 1, 2 to the 5 halves minus 1 to the 5 halves, so minus 1. Then lower limit 1 to the 5 halves, so minus 1. So this is 4 over 15, quantity 4 square root of 2 minus 2. If we factor out 2, then the final answer is 8 over 15, quantity 2 square root of 2 minus 1. Okay, next, 25.3, integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1 of quantity 2 minus x squared minus y squared dy dx. So that would be integral 0 to 1, evaluating the integral, considering y as the variable. So integral 0 to 1 of quantity 2y minus x square y minus y cube over 3 from 0 to 1 dx. So integral 0 to 1 of 2 minus x square minus 1/3, then lower limit 0. So this is integral 0 to 1 of quantity 5/3 minus x squared dx. So that would be 5/3 x minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1. So that would be 5/3 times 1, so 5/3 minus 1/3 minus 0, lower limit 0. Then it is 4/3. Then 25.4, integral 1 to 2, 0 to 2y. So the answer is 4/3. Note of quantity x squared plus y squared dx dy. So we evaluate this with x as the variable first. So that would be integral 0 to 1 of x cubed over 3 plus y squared x from 0 to 2y dy. So integrals 1 to 2 of 2y quantity cube over 3 plus y squared times 2y minus lower limit 0 dy. So this would be 8/3 integrals 1 to 2 of 8/3 y cube plus 2y cube dy. Combining, that would be 14 over 6 integral 1 to 2, 14 over 6 y cube dy. And that would be 14 over 3 times y to the 4th over 4. So that's the answer. 14 over 3 times y to the 4th over 4 from 1 to 2. So this is 7 over 14 over 12, or 7 over 6, quantity 2 to the 4th minus 1 to the 4th, which is 15. 15 over 6 is 5 halves times 7, so 35 over 2. So that's it for this video.